This video summarizes the common manufacturing project management pitfalls and how to avoid them. It also illustrates the value of a customized approach to manufacturing project management. This is necessary because project management methods such as Prince2 specifically exclude knowledge collation, concept development, project quality assurance, and value engineering processes. These excluded factors account for more than 50% of the recipe for manufacturing project success. Manufacturers that excel at project management have learned how to avoid the 8 common characteristics of project failure set out below. The presence of 2 or more of these 8 characteristics increases the risk of project failure from possible to likely. These are discussed in more detail below, together with project management processes to mitigate these areas of risk and accelerate the gains from implementing new ideas and work routines. Poor project scoping can lead to project cost overruns. The characteristics of this are poor capture and/or use of in-house knowledge, resources released late or not released at all, avoidable problems not identified until late in the project process when they are more difficult to deal with. To avoid these problems, set the correct project scope and begin stakeholder engagement using day in the life of review techniques to capture the current shop floor reality from multiple perspectives, to surface knowledge gaps and add detail to the concept and challenge weaknesses as appropriate. For maximum stakeholder buy-in, do this before the project concept is finalized. Common causes of project delays are weak project management experience and skills within the project team. This is particularly risky when combined with weak management of internal processes. Vendors directly control only around 50% of the manufacturing project success factors. The other 50% include areas such as workplace standards, recruitment, skill development, raw material supply, compliance processes, and system updates. Project teams need to have the skills to manage these and avoid gaps in site readiness plans that can contribute to the late project delivery. Abandoned projects are particularly wasteful. Common causes include the combination of unclear project accountabilities and roles, limited collaboration between vendors and operational personnel prior to installation, and delays about critical decisions. This leads to low project team problem ownership, a lack of consensus when plans don't go as expected, and communication gaps resulting in barriers to timely decision making. Project management best practice minimizes these risks using milestone planning and facilitated stage gate reviews as a safety net to trap problems early, to get buy-in to new ideas, and to reinforce proactive project team behaviors. Stage gate reviews include leadership conversations that shape and reinforce project team outlook, timely decision making by providing space for reflection on decision options and the actions needed to achieve project quality plan outcomes, collaborative processes to encourage team members to work outside of their comfort zone, accelerate their learning, and encourage the constructive challenge of project weaknesses. Manufacturing project management training agenda should include how to use structured day in the life of reviews to clarify project scope and add detail at each project stage. That would also include how to involve the right people at the right time to develop the right specification. Following that, there's a need to understand how to create a structured induction process for project team members so that they understand their roles and responsibility and are able to deal with knowledge and skill gaps as they arise. That might incorporate the need for a learning agenda for project stakeholders using practical workplace learning processes that support project needs. That would be backed up by milestone quality plans and stage gate reviews that engage project stakeholders and facilitates collaboration between them. The outcome are project managers that can facilitate and coach project teams to deliver superior results. The DAK 3-day Manufacturing Project Management Training Workshop is designed to help project stakeholders to learn how to deliver winning projects and accelerate their progress towards industry-leading performance. We can also provide training and coaching to back up in-house workplace learning programs as required. If you'd like more information, please check out the website or call us for a no-obligation discussion about your specific needs.